Most traders lose because they enter at wrong place and the wrong time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to identify liquidity areas and use the marginal safety entry strategy to find high probability trade setups like professional traders. If you're serious about becoming consistently profitable, watch this video until the very end because every section builds on next and the final insights are the game changing. In this particular currency pair, I have already marked my key levels. At the very first glance, everything suggests a bullish market. The trend is making higher highs and the trend line support is clearly holding. Most traders would be only looking for buy opportunity here. However, my plan is to take put entry. This is the power of understanding liquidity and marginal safety entry concept. When you truly understand where liquidity is resting and how the market moves to capture it, you are no longer limited to trading with the obvious trend. Instead, you can identify high probability opportunity on either side of the market and enter with greater confidence and precision. As soon as the candle retraces into the 50% area of the previous red candle, I am taking my put position using my marginal safety entry technique, and this will give me an extra layer of edge that even if the candle closes as a green one, the candle is going to close below my entry point. Now, you must be wondering why I'm taking a put entry even though the market is bullish, but here you have to understand one thing, that the internal liquidity has been grabbed by these three candles. You see the last green candle, it has grabbed the liquidity, and the following red candle has given me a continuation pattern that the next candle is definitely going to be a unhealthy green candle or a red candle, which is why I've taken my marginal safety entry. Also, if you see the latest trend, market is making lower lows. It is going in a parallel channeling down range. This is the beauty of marginal safety entry and knowing where the liquidity is sitting. And just as I anticipated, this is a winning trade. After this, I'll not be taking any more put entries or call entry because market has not yet tested our major support area. Also, the recent candle was an inverted hammer, so market can go either direction. I need a proper confirmation. So instead of sticking into the same chart, I'll look for better opportunity. I'll change the chart and I will take better trades. So let's hunt for that perfect trade opportunity and let's see what the market is doing in other currency pair. This is an uptrend, but the current trend, we are in a seller's loop, and also we don't have any demand zone right here. So if this current candle closes as a red one, I would definitely go for a call entry, but if the reversal already happened, then I will not be taking any more call entry here. So let's see how this candle closes. If this closes as a red one, I will be taking a call entry. Okay, but there's a little bit problem. The next candle has given us a gap up opening, so this is not a good currency pair to take trade on because we are on a seller's loop. So we will have to wait for that chart. Let's look for another currency pair and look for that high probability trade setup. I am mainly focusing on liquidity areas and marginal safety entry. All right, I can see a trade opportunity going on and I'm directly going with my put entry. Even though my trade seems to be a little bit late, I could have placed a better entry, but since I'm using 1 minute default time setting, I am placing my trade for one particular candle and the entry is really bad. However, I am anticipating that this trade should be a winning trade because if you see the previous candles, there is a dominance of sellers. That means market is giving us good big healthy red candles, and in between that red candles we have got small green candles, and those green candles cannot reverse the market. And even the previous green candle was a very tiny little doji, which was a green candle. If you see here, market is giving us big red candles, and in between that red candles we have got small green candle which didn't actually reverse the market, and that was our last green candle. So this was a very obvious trade, which is why I took directly put entry, and that was another winning trade. And if you see the liquidity sits below the lows of this particular trend, so the liquidity was also not grabbed, which is why that was my second confirmation to take this trade, and that was a winning trade. All right, traders, so let's look for another better opportunity. Trading in binary option is actually very easy if you understand basic concept of liquidity. And here in this particular chart, I can directly see one trade opportunity going on. I am going to take my call entry right after closing this candle. You must be wondering why, because the major trend looks downtrend, but let me tell you why I'm taking the call entry. Even though the major trend looks downtrend, but guys, you have to see what the current market is doing and what the current candle is doing. As you can see, we've got liquidity sweep going on. I have made a separate video on liquidity sweep as well. This is a very strong and good trade to take. I have taken my marginal safety call entry right after closing the red candle, and if you see the last low, it was taken out by a red hammer candle, and that was just liquidity sweep. If I have to explain you by a screenshot here, market was making higher highs. That means market current trend is bullish, even though the major trend looks downtrend, but we have a market structure shift, and the recent shift was just to grab the liquidity. Okay, the last low was sitting here, liquidity was sitting below this previous low, which was grabbed by the hammer candle and followed by a strong bullish candle. That means a continuation trade. So even if you have placed a marginal safety call entry, that would have been a winning trade, but I didn't have chance, so I took next call entry trade, and that was a winning trade. Now, I want you to practice this and comment me down below if there's anything you don't understand and want to know more. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Link is mentioned down in the description box. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading.